Coming up in today's show, we're going to be taking you through and reviewing the Shishuo dash cam for your car. It is an ultimate must-have, and we're starting right now. Hi guys, and welcome back to MMB Tech TV. Now, if this is your first time, my name is Ryan, and if you want to keep up to date with all things tech that are affordable to family, all you need to do is make sure you hit subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss anything. Now, in today's show, we're going to be taking you through and reviewing our dash cam sent to us by our friends at Shishuo. So, a dash cam nowadays is a must for absolutely everybody in terms of safety, and if anything does happen, you have the evidence right there and there. So what we're going to do is today, we're going to be going through the box, seeing what you get with it as well, and telling you my pros and cons and showing you some of the footage that actually comes from it. Now, if you have a dash cam at home, get in the comments below exactly what is your favourite dash cam, the favourite make, how much did you pay for it. Let's have that conversation going down in the box below. So what we're going to do, let's take a look inside the box and see what you get exactly from the Shishuo dash cam. In-car charger, rear camera, the mount, cable clips, 16GB micro SD card, front camera, and a user manual. Now, as you can see, you do get loads in the box for what you actually pay for. But what we need to do is have a little close look at the dash cam and see all the little buttons, all the options and the menus, and see exactly what it's like. The camera is a full HD high resolution 1920 by 1080p at 30 frames per second. The camera has a 170-degree wide-angle lens for wide-angle recording for front and rear views simultaneously. As we move to the back, it has a 3-inch LCD display for easy monitoring and playback. It has a micro SD card slot, which you can put the 16GB micro SD card you get free, and if you want to get a larger SD card, the largest is up to 32 gigs. There are up and down arrow keys to guide you through the menu options. And turning to the opposite side, you have your further menu keys to help you navigate through the menu. When you look to the top of the camera, you have the USB port, HDMI port, and the port where the arm connects into. Finally, when you look underneath the camera, you can see the microphone and master reset pinhole. The menu itself is really easy to navigate through with plenty of options from park mode, resolution, motion detection and G-sensor. Once the camera is installed, which is really easy to do, all you need to do is plug in and you're away. The video quality is really good and it obtains clear images throughout. So whether it's day or night, it does the job and does it extremely well. So, all in all, it offers loads of options, really good build quality, and the video quality is great too, and all at an affordable cost. We all need a dash cam, so why not be this one? So, if you want an affordable yet quality dash cam, then this is the one for you. Now, you can pick this up from Amazon from $39.99 with free UK delivery. And of course, as always, I'll put links in the description below for you to go and check out when you get a chance. So go and have a look. They are a must for your car. Now, if you want us to review something or you want us to go and check something out, all you need to do is make sure you get your comments in the box below. Of course, we read all your comments, we do look at them, and if there's something you want us to review, let us know and we can look into that for you. All right. Now, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget, if you do like it, to give it a like and make sure you subscribe to the channel as well. More reviews coming your way. Thanks for watching. My name is Ryan, and if you want to check out more content, you can check out the video you see on screen right now. But from me, Ryan, thanks a lot. We'll see you soon. And thanks for watching MMB Tech TV. Bye-bye for now.
Hi, welcome to Osmose's YouTube.